Day 2, let's go! Wow, that's a big ass bag, ah.
Skincare ko yan.
Ay.
Kailangan talaga.
Kahira yung anak ko doon.
Aming ikap na.
Pero mura lang dito yung yung hotel na katulad nila ate.
Parang ang kasi, parang ang crowded, ang
Talagang crowded to dahil sentro to.
posters.
Pag sinabi mong pumunta ka ng Cubao, lahat doon manggagaling. Papunta ka Pasay, Makati, Quezon City, Marikina.
Kaya kapag nasa
Cubao.
Cubao ka daw, hindi ka mawawala. O kaya kung saang lugar ka, basta may sakay pa Cubao, hindi ka na mawawala.
Ang pinaka
Ay,
kung
ang
galing
daming
kayo sa mga kung saan
Kable
lugar,
ng kuryente.
sabi kayo ng Cubao.
May ganitong pa ng train na parang ano ba to? Nasa dystopian era na ba tayo?
Pero nung araw hindi ganito to.
Para tayong end of the world, no?
Parang doon sa Luzon, di ba? May
Yan yung deck.
Para man lang kahit papano eh.
Tapos ayan, ginawa ng tiles kasi may maraming vandalism. Nang parang white na lang lahat, di ba? No?
What the hell is the color?
Nilagyan pa ng nilagyan pa ng
Hindi.
halatang pipitsugin yung mga tiles na nabili kasi
Ano to? Pilipinas. Kulay ng Pilipinas.
Kumbaga gumastos ka lang din naman, di mo pa...
Para attractive.
Attractive that it looks so tacky and cheap. What the hell is that?
Tapos nila, yes, yan. Dito ang mga bilihan ng mga luxury. O, yan o, Chrysler. May payong. Chrysler, may ganyan dati si Dado Mundi na sa VIP.
meron talaga mga kung ano.
Wow, laki ng kita. Nakikita nyo lang yung mga ito yung lang ng pera doon. O nga laki ng kita. Kupit nga kayo ng kupit doon eh.
Corset.
Oh, yung corset.
Oh, hindi na unlock sa 00.
0-0 talaga.
May hilo kayo niyang ginagawa. Yan, ano ba kayo? Baka ano nyo?
Ito naman titigin din. Nagda-drive. Naka-FOMO.
May kulang mga malambog yan. Nadinis ang driver.
Ilagay mo na kasi tayo dyan sa kung nasaan kang nakalapag. Diyan mo ilagay mo.
Magapang.
Kuhanin mo na. Lapag mo na dyan, oh. Hindi na kaganyan ka, biglang tumul. Bugatti. Bugatti.
Ay, ano ba? Itayo mo muna kasi.
Uy ate, grabe ka.
Yeah.
Kapag ilan tayo ng pasok, ang ikot natin. Kasi 10 minutes na lang, nandun na tayo.
Makati.
Ayala to.
Ang dilim na oh. Dati at yan, maliwalas yan. Pinaganda. Dito eh, tingnan mo.
Na
Sano sabi?
Ay, bitin.
Working. Uy. So nice. So nice. So nice. Pupo ka na naka-open. Everything's open. Everything is open.
Ano ba? Kanya-kanya kayo. Mag-CF lang ako. Oh, you guys, it's actually my birthday today. I just celebrated yesterday, but that's besides the point. The photos look ugly, because guess what? Guess what?
What?
They zoom in on those photos.
Hindi sila lumapit.
Yeah. They zoom. Oh my god, it's so bad.
Hey guys, we're at the room na. We're inside actually. And it's me and Mermaid only. She just finished ranting and vlogging. And our plan for today, hold on, what time is it? It's 1:52. Mom and Dad just left us because they're about to go on a wedding. And nag-iisip sila ng gift for ate, whatsoever. Anyway, it's not ate's birthday, but ate has someone to give something kasi. Basta ganon. Then, we are planning to go to McDo to eat. And then, after that, we'll probably go out and go to the cinemas just to check in if we like the movies or the time is okay with us. After that, we'll go back to the room to, I don't know, rest, edit, and whatsoever. Because this room is so damn big. You wanted to sleep on it. Anyway. Ready to cloud chase. Let's go. Let's go! My photos got fuck up. Richard. Ay, hindi kita yung reflection.
Ay, taas ka.
Mermaids vlogging. Ano yun?
Yung ganong trend.
Very mahangin ang vibes.
Nasa Tagaytay kami.
Very mahangin.
Nasa polo kami.
So nice. And I'm buying us potato.
Nana. Look at them hovering. Look at them hovering. Yeah. I don't have my charger. Do it again. Do it again. I have my charger. Yeah.
Back inside the room, we got potato corner and some drinks from Starbucks, and we also bought Belgian waffle. kind of tiring, no? But yeah, we kind of failed the mission for looking for a good movie. Though meron namang feeling kong magandang movie. Yung Wuthering Heights, saka yung kila, Jericho Rosales. It's just that kapag nanonood ng movie, I feel like dapat yung worthy. How worthy yung cinematic experience na like Avatar, Avengers, yung may mga strobing lightings, yung mga bonggang sound effects, things like that. And it's mahal. 700 for a movie. I mean, okay, you can do that kung sobrang bored ka ng tao and sobrang yaman mo siguro. Na wala ka lang maisip na We're just broke, bro. We're just broke. So, yeah. It's time to charge my phone because I'm on 7%. Hope this doesn't die out right now. Yeah, we'll just eat. Bye. This is us bed rotting, wasting our time instead of taking freaking pictures outside. But here we are, bed rotting. Let's go. Midnight sun kissing under the rug. Weight on your chest like this. Up and down, banana. Hi, can I ask if my additional, if we ask? Hindi ko alam pero bakit ang vlog na ito ay every time nakabalik na sa room or nasa room. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Dito lang sa room. Anyways, we went out for a couple of minutes just to check in if we would like to swim. And guess what? We want to. So we're changing in 3, 2, 1, action. Anyway, we're on our seats and we're going out na. Ta-da! She's so good. Going up. Guys, so we're here na. Say hi. Hi. This is our pool. Kind of big.
Uy!
Ah.
Diba? At least, we can still have the experience.
I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug. If you're into getting rough, you can find me in the club. Bottle full of bug, mama, I got what you need. If you need to fill a buzz, I'm into having sex. I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug. If you're into getting rough.
I should be better, but baby, right? I'm better, so you put me through. Say I'm not home. I know my life. Ano cinematic ka? Harap mo naman. Right now, medicine. Right now, medicine. Kami. Paboots.
Good morning, guys. So today's plan, it's Valentine's Day, and today's plan is to swim. I'm just gonna take a prep, and then we'll go out. We'll go out. Ate, we'll go out. Ako din eh.
Ito maganda pag nag-hilamos.
I'm in a say it's a kissing my Swedish boy. FaceTime.
Meron ako.
Hoping and hoping. Hella boots, that's makeup. Sketch up. Yeah, I'm that girl. I've been there. Here na. Hindi sumaambon. Mababasa ako. Maambon, mababasa ako.
Tapos yung ambon dito ba? Usog mo ako.
Ha?
Usog mo ako. Gusto mo iusog natin ano? Ano pa? Ano pa?
Apa?
Kaya ngayon, ay daw, ano, punuan yung mga kainan, no? Lunch.
Couldn't take a video or any clips sa pool cause
Babiyahe.
it's raining.
Gutom na lang. Gutom agad.
Malamig. Daw meron kami pa yung
Eh, yung ano,
no one wants
syempre
to
sayang naman yung skin.
capturing videos.
Pwede naman yung McDonald's nila mag-take out sa kwarto na lang natin sa liling.
Sim tayo niya, ma'am.
Alas 10 na, okay.
Kulang mo. That's a video. Nagsinig kami ni Mami! Wala nang bibigyan na kami! I look freaking stupid because I'm using umbrella kasi umaambot para mas protect yung camera ko because I'm gonna take a video of Mommy. Mommy! Okay, let's go.
Baby Claire. Video for Baby Claire. Video? Hi, Baby Claire. Swimming kami dito, Baby Claire. Ito na kasama, baby. Kasi umuwi ka sa mama mo. Halika na dito, baby. Sabi ko na, ay, pass muna ako sa 900. Pang ano na yan?
Tatakot mo lang yung mukha ko. Sorry ba? Going back to our hotel room. CR na kami. So nice. Yeah. That's very... Ang tall ng door. Going out.
Sa cinema. Casino. Ito diretso hero. Ano to? Pwede sana ganyan, oh. Parang dati dyan tayo dumaan.
Wala na po kasi naman dyan.
Asog ni Bonbon.
Talaga iba ko na.
Turukan mo na din dati kayo pagka
Wala naman ako may magagawa niyan. Wala kang may tutulong sa'yo.
tuturukan nga siya ni ate Kayla pagka.
Injection na lang mamaya.
Yes.
Meron pa ako doon.
Oh. Oh.
Babalik tayo na yan.